Look at that, beautiful clouds. Look at that. Hello, so today we're going for a date. Just me and my husband to watch a cinema.
Heron.
Seen the heron, yeah.
Wow.
I can see them very often. Handsome heron.
Beauty.
So this is the rollers. This is the way you take your punt from that river down onto this river.
That's
they're
nice.
They're metal rollers. They're bloody good. It's not usually this high.
That sounds nice. So this is actually my husband's way to walk to work before.
People can see them if they're on boats, because the boats are in like parks. University parks.
Is this University Park already?
Yeah.
The other end of University Park.
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know there's
So
shortcut.
if you think there's the river that we just crossed, that's the one that goes all the way down by the lake, the duck pond.
Oh, that's how close it is.
That's where they discovered penicillin,
Done School
and
of
antibiotics, pathology.
Pathology. So this is where they discovered the antibiotics here in Oxford.
Alexander Fleming and Florey, where antibiotics were first discovered and used.
I'm a tourist, you see.
For Emma worked there for a while, the neurology department. Not urology.
Neuro.
Neurology. Yeah, I've never seen this.
Chemistry Research Laboratory.
If you're a member of the university in any capacity, you can get to be a member of that. Even as a member of staff, I can get.
And this one is the Mansfield College. That's nice. Easter eggs. That's cute. What is this place? That big one there, that college.
Harris Manchester.
Huh?
Harris Manchester.
New college school is there as well.
Their college is Harris Manchester, one of the more modern colleges, the newer ones.
The new one.
Even though it looks old, the actual frontage of it isn't old. You can see with windows probably.
Yeah, it looks a bit more modern than the other ones.
So they've done it in keeping with the surrounding buildings. So that across the road is Royal New College. It's one of the biggest colleges. It's huge inside.
New college.
Even though it's not new. Probably still about 400 years old.
That's the name of the college.
Oxford, it's called new.
Now, what road is this, Daddy?
It's in Holywell Street.
Oh, this is the colourful ones.
Yes.
Oh yeah, it's like Jericho already, isn't it?
A little bit, yeah. It's probably all built about the same time.
Yeah, beautiful road. I like this, but they're flats. I don't like flats.
There's probably a lot of student accommodation.
Probably student accommodations.
Bodleian Library.
Bodleian Library.
Yeah. And it takes up all this area. So huge.
Ah, that's the Western Library already there.
Yeah. God, what's going on in Broad Street?
Bodleian Library. People are queuing to get in. Very busy Oxford today. I feel like I'm a tourist. I haven't been to town for some time. I mean, even daytime like this. Easter market probably here in Broad Street.
The aim is to try and make this a more pedestrianised, open place for people to stop cars. Can't park there anymore.
Yeah, that's fine.
Well, if I just turn left, I can get to work.
That's the way to Tony's work. Oh my god, we're late.
It is busy, isn't it?
Food now.
Hey!
Cheese. Oh, food. So we're here now at the main Oxford area. It's Oxford Street. George Street. So this cinema we're going is where we used to go before when we were dating. Here in George Street in Oxford. Daddy.
Here.
Yes, we're here at Odeon in George Street. Huh? Gloucester Market is open as well. We'll show you later. Go, Daddy.
Future holds.
So after watching the cinema, oh, this is Kebab King and Thai, Angry Thai there. This is Gloucester Green. Every Wednesday, Thursdays, Friday and Saturday. It's almost finished anyway. Parang palengke.
Close up.
It's nothing special. I always like that when I'm new here in Oxford.
Martyr's Memorial.
Huh. Nice tower. So we finished watching the film now. Air, Nike with Michael Jordan. Is it nice, Eddie?
It was a good film, yeah. I quite liked it. It's all
The
about the
story.
acting, though, wasn't it? All about the acting.
Yeah, the actors are amazing and the story.
No action, no car chases, no bangs, shootouts. Just proper acting.
Proper acting, real acting. And the
Good-
story
good
is really
actors.
nice anyway. Especially it's real life story. I love stories like that.
Good actors, good characters.
And I'm gonna show you, this is the smallest house apparently, or shop. Not sure if it's the UK, but here in Oxford, this one. See how many feet is that?
I think it's sold for about £120,000.
Just a little store,
Yeah.
but because it's at the middle of the Oxford, it's sold for, I think, 120,000. You said?
I think so.
Yeah, just that one, because it has its own supply already of electricity, water, something like that.
Always busy.
So we're just walking here now still in Oxford. What college is this? St. John's.
Oh, we've been in there.
Yeah. Appreciating the beauty of Oxford.
I did. A few weeks ago, we went to the museum.
I think he's okay, but like his stepmom Betsy is away.
So there is a shortcut here from this pub, Plum and Flag. Going to... This is my favorite tree here. That's the pub. We're going to University Park. Walk back to go home and see the girls. This building is just accommodation from the college here in Oxford. The students live here. So in this area you can see a lot of buildings.
University requirements.
Occupational health, university buildings. Where?
Rhodes House.
Rhodes House, Bill Clinton.
Yeah, he's a Rhodes scholar.
It's really... They're doing some work. I don't know.
It must produce it.
That's a nice building. I like the color of it.
Yeah. Used to be where they've done all the used to have protesters here at that time. Rollers, and they used to give us money. Yeah, it looks boggy.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time.